So this started about a year ago, where we had to measure the contours of an organic surface. Turns out that's a very hard problem. The only available solution cost $20,000, and that's ridiculous. So we set out to build our own. We looked at what was available out there at the intersection of computer vision and surface measurement, and we couldn't find a single solution that was compelling. The 3D scanners that were precise cost tens of thousands of dollars, and the ones that were affordable weren't precise at all. Today, that changes. So we've invented the Eora 3D scanner, the world's first high-precision 3D scanner that is purpose-built for a modern smartphone. We're only just beginning to explore the possibilities of capturing the world in 3D. 3D printing is an amazing tool. It converts a digital file into a physical object. Some call it an industrial revolution. The Eora 3D scanner does the exact opposite of a 3D printer. It lets artists, makers, and designers capture objects and surfaces and turn them into high-quality 3D models and use them as part of the creative process.
We knew we had to use a smartphone. Modern phones are simply amazing. The Eora 3D scanner is powered entirely by your smartphone. Using it is easy. Just open the app and press scan. It'll automatically adjust focus and exposure and drive a green laser to scan your object. As it sweeps, we take over 1,000 photos and analyze them in real time to give you a 3D model. A typical scan takes 3 to 5 minutes and gives you a full color mesh with up to 8 million points. With a range of 1 meter, you can capture objects big and small. Accurate to less than 100 microns, that's the thickness of a single sheet of paper. When engineering the scanner, we had one objective in mind: precision. All that's possible thanks to a design that's both beautiful and functional. Machined from a solid block of aluminium with over 35 million operations, we've designed it to be both robust and precise. The light ring gives you quick visual feedback, and the adjustable knob lets you secure any modern smartphone. The green laser lets you scan in any lighting conditions, as most cameras are twice as sensitive to green than any other color. For watertight models, we also designed a Bluetooth turntable. It'll sync to your scanner and rotate your object to make sure you get every angle.
Remember the Jetsons? Who didn't dream of that home? A home that knows us and how we live, and generally makes life better and much easier. Well, we're still a bit away from having Rosie make us dinner, but that hasn't stopped a lot of companies from trying to bring us a smart home experience. It's a great idea. The problem? The smartphone is not the answer to smart home. This only makes a simple task, like flipping a light switch, even more complicated. The smart home that's been delivered isn't all that smart. Until now. Introducing Umi, the smart home system for everyone. It's simple, it's fun, and there's nothing else like it, guaranteed. This little cube makes your home a lot smarter and your life much easier right out of the box. Here's why. Typically, smart home systems have a central gateway that allows you to control and monitor your home. But you must have additional sensors installed all over the place just to keep an eye on things. Umi is different, because Umi Cube is more than a gateway. We packed it full of sensors, including a 360-degree IR blaster, so you can control your home theater and even your thermostat. It even has a camera so you can keep an eye on your home, even when you're away. Cube is brilliant, but the real beauty with Umi is that you can be up and running in minutes thanks to our innovative Tap and Touch technology. Tap and Touch lets you add new devices to Umi with just a tap. This makes setting up and expanding your system super easy. We made Umi for everyone, so even if your mom is scared of technology, she can still set up a smart home in just a few minutes. Once set up, control of your home has never been so simple or convenient. Umi Touch's brilliant 7-inch display gives you full control of your house using familiar widgets or by using voice controls. Umi Touch gives you control over your security, your ambiance, and your entertainment, all from one simple interface. But we don't just give you control of your TV, Umi takes smart home entertainment to the next level. With Umi Streamer, you can watch movies from services like Netflix and YouTube, stream music from Pandora, access content on demand, or just surf the web. Wake up to your favorite music or news channels. You can even get notifications, see who's at the door, and let them in. all from the comfort of your couch. And you can control it all right from Umi Touch. No more cluttered and clunky remotes on the coffee table. It truly is the ultimate universal remote. But Umi is about more than just control. It's about making your life easier. Umi is not just a if this then that engine. It's truly intelligent. Our Adaptive Intelligence Engine, or Umi IQ, identifies patterns in your life and also takes cues from real-time data points to adjust to you and how you live. If other systems are considered smart home, then Umi would be the smartest home.
This is Itai. He always loved eating. He recently made a decision to eat healthier. He recently made this decision every week for the past 10 years. But Itai did not improve his nutrition because, well, food is awesome and old habits die hard. Then he had this amazing idea. What if he could create something that would go everywhere with him, log his eating habits, analyze them, and give him recommendations in real time? This is how he came up with Brian. Brian was Itai's eating pal. He was with him all the time and really cared about his nutrition, reminding him to snack less, chew more, and eat better. Brian was a hit. Soon enough, everybody wanted one. The sporty girl from the gym, the always on a diet guy from the cafe, and that woman who always snacks between meetings. But as time went by, Itai felt like he needed to make something smaller, more scientific and less awkward. Yeah. So now, backed by leading academic clinical dietitians, top nutritionists, and experts in design, engineering, and software, he's proud to introduce BitBite. BitBite is a revolutionary tiny device that helps you track, analyze, and change your eating habits. It's the first ever wearable device that helps you improve your nutrition. With BitBite, you know exactly how much you eat, how often, and how fast. It helps you make better decisions and follow them. BitBite is worn on your ear, like an earphone. Only unlike an earphone, it doesn't block airflow. The earphone's patent-pending design was specially designed for the shape of your ear, so it would feel extra comfortable. You can snap it onto the slim bracelet or pin and always have it with you. BitBite analyzes your chewing sounds and gathers information about your eating pace and the number of chews you've made, so it knows how much food you've consumed. Its app shows beautiful infographics of your eating habits and also helps motivate you to keep up with your goals. You can tell BitBite's voice-activated sensors what you're eating and receive a daily automated food log. It's also designed to integrate with Apple Watch, Android Wear, and other fitness platforms and diet apps, and it even functions as a great Bluetooth headset. BitBite uses pattern recognition and machine learning algorithms to study your eating habits. It will give you live recommendations to help you achieve better outcomes. Say you usually have a snack at 10 p.m. BitBite will notice and recommend some fruit at 9:30, so you won't feel like snacking later on. Or if you're overeating at lunch, BitBite will notice you're full and suggest you put your fork down. Even if you're not consuming enough calcium, BitBite will notice it and recommend that you have a yogurt. Basically, it's the missing link to a healthier you.
Hey babe, emoji winks. I had a great time last night, exclamation mark. Dinner at my place tonight, smiley face, question mark.
Sweetie, I called you last night. You don't have time for your mother? Question mark, question mark, question mark.
It might look funny, but when your eyes are on your phone, they're blind to the road. It is time for a new way to drive. Introducing Raygo. Raygo is the only hands and eyes-free solution for using your smartphone while driving that is safe, simple, and secure. With this smart 5-key controller that you install on the steering wheel, you've got your phone at your fingertips without ever having to take your eyes off the road. Using a Bluetooth connection, the Raygo mobile app converts your favorite apps like Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, Gmail, Calendar, Spotify, and many more to Drive Mode. Drive Mode is a simplified version of your pre-existing apps, and it programs them to talk to you. Respond to Raygo with your simple Raygo controller or with your voice. Press up or down to menu options, left to go back, and right to enter or voice command. How does Raygo work? It's actually quite simple.
WhatsApp message from Mike. Had a great time last night. Dinner at my place tonight. Select message action. Next message. Quick response. Sure, I'm driving. We'll call later. WhatsApp message sent.
You can even get those group updates you didn't have time to check.
Please select action. Take note. Read new email. Facebook group messages. Facebook group. Weekend Devils. Eddie, found great sale for this weekend. Josh, where? I'm in. Liz, me too. I need.
Raygo is so safe, it has sensors that can sense if you are busy. It will pause and resume as needed to minimize driving distractions.
Liz, me too. I need new shoes.
Keeping our home safe is important to all of us. Getting your house broken into sucks. It's not just the stuff that you lose, but because your home feels violated. What you want is to keep it from happening in the first place. And that's why we created Kuna, to help you prevent break-ins. This is Kuna. Kuna is a smart Wi-Fi camera built into an elegant outdoor light fixture. It detects people and alerts you. So you can see and talk to them on your smartphone.
Hey, could you leave the package out front? We're a little busy.
It's cool, man. We're in the future.
And it's the best way to actively prevent break-ins.
Most burglaries are crimes of opportunity. The burglars will actually knock on your door to see if you're home. And when they realize you're not home, they'll attempt to enter your house. Keeping them outside is the most important thing you can do, and Kuna allows you to do that.
You can deter burglars by talking to them or setting off Kuna's alarm.
Can I help you?
I'm selling magazines.
Yeah, no thanks.
They'll leave. And all this happens when they're still outside, before they even try to break in. Making your home safer shouldn't be a chore. For one of these, you have to climb in the attic, run wires, drill holes. It's a pain, and it's not cheap. That's why we built Kuna into an outdoor light. Just replace your old light fixture and use your existing wiring. Connect Kuna to Wi-Fi and you're done. It'll take 15 minutes. And we want Kuna to look good no matter where it is. So we're making it in 3 different styles to match your house. You can put Kuna anywhere. Front door, back door, even the garage to watch your car. Oh, and your light gets smarter too. You can control it with the Kuna app. Turn it on, turn it off, set a schedule, or just let it turn on automatically when it gets dark or when there's a person. You only want to get alerts that matter. Kuna ignores trees and small animals, and it recognizes people's behaviors. So if you don't want to know every time your spouse goes out jogging, you can tell Kuna to alert you only for visitors waiting at the door. And it'll learn and get smarter over time.